Hey guys, and welcome back to Mad About Skin. In today's video, we are talking this product, the Peeling Solution by The Ordinary. There is so much conversation online regarding this product, from talk of class action lawsuits, from people that have received chemical burns from using the product, from other people defending it and saying actually it's worked wonders for their own skincare routine. A lot of this centres around whether people believe this product is too strong for over-the-counter sale, and whether it should actually be something that's used in a dermatologist or a professional's office, rather than be trusted to us to use in our own home. Of course, I've used this product for years and years and years and got some really great benefits from my own skincare routine. So I'm going to pick it apart and look at what's the truth behind the Ordinary Peeling Solution, and if you do want to use it in your own skincare routine, how you can do so safely and in synergy with your skin. If you want to find out a little bit more, keep on watching. So what is this product that's causing all this controversy? Well, it is a super high strength chemical exfoliant. It uses the term peel, which normally when we're talking skincare, a lot of skincare brands have a peel in their collection, and often it doesn't actually result in any superficial peeling. You need much higher strength, usually dermatologist or esthetician strength products to deliver any meaningful superficial peel. This product, I think, is probably the strongest that's available on the market. It's certainly the strongest I've been able to find, and under certain circumstances with certain skin types, you may actually get a level of superficial peeling from using the product. This combines a 30% concentration of alpha hydroxy acids, which are some of the harshest and most effective chemical exfoliants, with a 2% concentration of salicylic acid. The 2% salicylic acid I'm going to disregard for the purpose of this video because I don't think that's the one that's really coming into contention. A 2% salicylic acid is fairly common in skincare. You'll see it in a lot of over-the-counter acne medication. You still have to use it correctly, but I don't think that's what's been called into question. It's a super high concentration of alpha hydroxy acids at 30% concentration that a lot of people are calling out as being just too strong for the over-the-counter market. A lot of people are calling out online that this product is actually going through a class action lawsuit at the moment. Class action lawsuits are where lawyers badge together a group of people that have been damaged or impacted by a brand or an individual, and they sue together collectively as a group rather than individuals. This is something that's more common in America than you see here in Europe and the UK, but absolutely it's something that is quite common in legal fields. Now, this product isn't actually, as far as I can tell from all of the information I found online, subject to an ongoing class action lawsuit. Where I think this rumour has started is there was an online legal firm which reached out in adverts to people saying, have you been impacted negatively by this product? Do you want to join our class action lawsuit? And I think they're testing the waters to see how many people really want to jump on board with that, and then they'll launch any legal action if they think it's worth their while. From what I can see from this legal firm that's advertising this, it's one of those slightly shady ambulance chasing type of firms, which you usually see with really ratchet adverts sandwiched between two episodes of Judge Judy online. It's that kind of online firm that's trying to drum up some hysteria regarding a product, whereas I think obviously if you've been impacted by a brand or an individual, you absolutely have the right to take action against that, but I think this is trying to create something which maybe isn't always there. Similarly, a lot of people have said that the product's been banned from certain territories. Again, this isn't actually the case. It's not available for sale in a number of territories, which is very different from being banned. So certain countries such as Canada and I believe Australia have stricter limits on the amount of alpha hydroxy acids which are allowed in products, and this breaches those limits and therefore it's never been available for sale in those markets. That's very different than being banned or removed from sale. This is just something that's never been launched there because it didn't comply with ongoing cosmetic regulations. This is fairly standard, but it is available in most countries worldwide. So, do I think this product's too strong for over-the-counter sale? Well, I think it skirts a very narrow line from being okay for the over-the-counter and tipping into that professional-only setting environment. And I think were it to be 1 or 2% higher in concentration, it'd definitely tip over that line. As it stands, the concentrations used are suitable for sale over-the-counter under current regulations in most territories. I also think when used correctly, as per the guidelines, for most skin types, this can give a really gorgeous deep exfoliation. The Ordinary recommend you use it once a week for a maximum of 10 minutes, and that's something I've done for the past 2 years, and honestly I get fantastic results. It takes my exfoliation game into the stratosphere, it kicks it all up a notch, and I think it gives a really gorgeous feel to the skin, will help with hyperpigmentation, resurface, retexture the skin, and also just as a more deep level exfoliation that you maybe will get with some other standard skincare products. Of course, this isn't suitable for everyone, and this is where I'm going to call out The Ordinary just a little. When this product launched, they were very clear it's a once weekly treatment to be used for 10 minutes. That's never changed. But where the guidelines have changed is they've now issued some additional guidelines on their website to say that it's not something that should be used for beginners to chemical exfoliation. This is a product that's designed for people that are experienced with chemical exfoliation and whose skin has become accustomed to alpha hydroxy acids. They also call out that it's not suitable for people with sensitive skin or with super dry skin types. I think all of this is super important because absolutely I would not recommend anyone with sensitive skin reach for a product of this high concentration. I definitely think because alpha hydroxy acids are quite drying, again, it's not going to be suitable for people with very dry skin types. We always have to match our product and the products that we choose to our skin type, and this is no exception. And so whilst it's a high concentration, you still need to apply those safeguards in terms of listening to your own skin and what your skin needs. I really wish The Ordinary had given that guidelines straight from the start, particularly considering the strength of the product. I think that would have been nice to see from the start, but I'm glad that they've evolved that and they are being very clear with who this product could work for, so people kind of know before they buy it. A lot of the problem with this product comes from its viral skincare sensation. This went out of stock literally the second it launched. Everyone wanted to get their hands on it because as humans, we're engineered to love the highest strength, the products that are going to give us those results we crave the quickest. And this obviously is the epitome of that: super high strength, super quick results. It went viral on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. Everybody's using the product. And you see so many instances of people misusing it. I saw one user over on TikTok recommending using this product daily for 2 weeks to really kickstart your hyperpigmentation journey. That's the worst advice you could actually give. And I think that sort of video is so dangerous, it really doesn't belong online. And I think some of the social media platforms need to step up their game and remove content which could be giving damaging or misleading advice. Same goes, I've seen people say to use this for like 2 or 3 hours to get maximum results. Again, never ever ever go against what is advised by the company, because that's what your legal safeguards are. If you use a product as per the instructions and you have an issue with it, then that gives you a certain amount of legal standing and safeguards when you approach that company. If you just ride roughshod over that and decide to leave it on overnight, just disregard whatever that company said, you want to make a complaint to that company or you want to raise any issues with them, their response rightly is going to be, well, you didn't use it properly, you didn't follow our advice, and therefore we're not responsible for the outcome that you received. And I think this is very much the case with this product. Now, of course, there will be some instances where people have had adverse impacts, even though they followed the results. And, it's not for me. I'm not a lawyer, legal professional. I'm not going to make any comment on that and the validity of any claims that might be bubbling under. That's for individuals to make their assessment and to do what's right for them and for their situation. But for me, I think this is a product you can get really great results with if you use it safely. I actually covered in a recent video how to apply the product properly, how to get the benefits from it, and how to do it in a skin-safe way. And I'm going to leave a link to that video up there. Definitely check it out. Even if you're already using this product successfully, check out that video just to make sure that you're doing everything as you should be and you're not endangering your skin in any way. The stronger the product, the more caution we always need to apply when we're using it, and I definitely say this is the case with this product. I'd be really sad to see this removed from market because I think it's added so much benefit to so many people's skincare routines, myself included, and I know so many of you guys reach for this product day in, day out. I would always just say, where the stronger the product, the more we need to apply those very basic principles of skincare, which is match your product to your skin type, listen to what your skin's saying. If something's burning, it's tingling, it's stinging, it's uncomfortable, it's probably the product saying and your skin saying, this isn't working for me, and you need to take action on the back of that. And of course, don't follow the advice of people online. First and foremost, read what's on the bottle and follow the instructions. That's I'm getting off my soapbox. I just wanted to share my thoughts and feelings because I know I've got a lot of people that have reached out and said, is it still safe to use the product? Is it too strong? Will I be, caught up in legal proceedings and all of that? And hopefully this has just clarified it. A wonderful product if used correctly, and I've left links to where you can purchase it because it is now back in stock. So if people do want to get their hands on it and use it in a safe way, or read the guidelines which The Ordinary have updated on their website, I've left all the links below, so check them out. Wherever you are in the world, guys, stay safe, stay well, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care. Bye.